We have already decided. I think Agnello Dikuna will be the Sarpanch. Raika Pai, she will be the deputy Sarpanch.
ओके आता मी पणजेच्या इलेक्शनाक हे करच्या पयलीं बरी सुरवात अशी दिसता
Point दिसता न्हू? Yeah.
आता मिशन पणजी
Mission Panje आहाच. हे चालू आता जोरान. See, everyone, I take all candidates seriously. Siddharth defeated me last time, no? So now, and this is the fight which I got to take to him.
लास्ट टाइम जेन्ना उत्पलाचें नांव अशें वयर येतालें तेन्ना तुमीच म्हटलेलें सिद्धार्थ इज हे डिजर्विंग कॅन्डिडेट
No, but just see, it is not even a month that they have forgotten, they ditched Bai. It's just the people of Panjim should realize this. Today, full BJP party was on Bai, and not even 1 month became they ditched his son. Not this way, at least.
I am very happy. I like I said even yesterday, we are going to sweep the polls. I said people have faith in Babush, in the Panchayat, and in me also. So that is the reason we won 11 out of 11 seats.
And Agnel Sarpanch is the very best candidate. सगळे मिळून work together. We will work together. आमची
क्लीन प्लॅन आहा तालिगांव खातीर
तालिगांव garbage free, first plastic free zone, and full green तालिगांव सगळे म्हणजे आणि प्रॉब्लेम काय सॉर्ट जावपाक जायना. आमचो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लान आशिल्लो तो पास जावंकूच ना फायल. सो आतां आमी सगळ्यान पयलें हातान घेतलो तो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लान.
I'm excited to serve the people.
प्लॅन्स आहा शॉर्ट टर्म प्लॅन्स लॉंग
Yeah, we have a lot of plans in mind. People will see it shortly. We will try to get maximum benefit from the government, although we engage our resources. So, कामांक कांयच प्रॉब्लम जावचो ना.
तुमचो म्हणजे कसो खंयचो प्रोजेक्ट घेवपाक सोदता तुमी तालिगांव
Garbage plant.